Battery energy storage systems are picking up pace in the electrical sector. More and more homeowners are choosing to combat rising energy costs and even convert to generating their own renewable energy. Battery storage is natural additional to renewable energy production as it ensures no energy production curtailed to the grid, and the usage can be optimized based on the demand patterns. Even without renewable energy production, battery storage can be used to leverage off-peak energy tariff or brings bills down. However, choosing the right system takes some consideration. Determining what size equipment to install requires assessment of several factors. First, we consider the physical size limits. Each home is different. In any case, a compact system is usually desirable, so it's unobtrusive for homeowner day to day. Beyond this, installers then need to consider the capacity requirements of their clients. What is their motivation for energy storage? Are they looking to cover a supply gap, save energy costs, go green or minimize their grid dependency? What is their typical usage level? When do they have the highest demand for energy? Detailing the answer to these questions gives installer a clear picture of what to suggest for the project. Eaton can help installer to find answer to their question and find the right product through the training and guidance alongside our comprehensive range of battery storage options. Options like new storage hybrid system that can be installed inside or outside are oriented for easy maintenance access. Finally, but not least, important installer needs to identify the correct components such as RCCBs or RCBOs for safety. After all, above all else, electrical installation need to be completely safe and functional. Power failures, fire risk are unacceptable and pose a serious threat to human and building welfare. Eaton long-standing presence in the power management industry demonstrates our commitment to installation safely. Our years of innovations have led and use having a range of product design to protect home and their inhabitants, such as AC and DC PV protection box and pre-wire PV-ready distribution box suitable for residential application, all of which are created with high-quality material and in accordance with the latest industry standard in each country. Not only that, but many of products today comes pre-wired or pre-assembled, saving installers time and giving peace of mind with a simplified installation process. Learn more about our product, including our X-Storage hybrid range today.